The top 5 best laminator recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. Scotch Thermal Laminator. Laminates items up to 9 inches wide. 2 heated rollers create high-quality professional, bubble and wrinkle-free results. Safe to use on photos to help preserve precious memories. Will laminate pouches up to 5 mil thick. 2 temperature settings. Starter pack contains 1 thermal laminator and 2 letter size 8.9x 11.4 starter pouches. This machine is only suitable for use with a grounded 120V outlet. Do not use laminator with a voltage or outlet converter. For best results, use with Scotch brand thermal laminating pouches that provide an ultra-clear finish to let import. Recommendation number 2. Amazon Basics 9-inch thermal laminator machine. Laminates documents up to 9 inches wide, compatible with letter, legal, business card, and photo size papers. Works with any 3 mil or 5 mil laminating pouch. Note: mil refers to thickness of lamination film. 2 heat settings. 3 mil best for normal documents, photos, and card stock, and 5 mil best for thinner papers. Quick 4-minute warm-up with ready indicator light. Jam release lever for easy clearing. Includes 2 3 mil thick 13.43x 5.12x 2.44 inches. Recommendation number 3. Laminator. Crenova A4 Laminator. This basic lamination set includes 1 laminator, 1 paper trimmer, 1 corner rounder, 1 hole punch, 3 binder rings, black 10 A4, 15 A5, 25 A6, letting you get started right away. Highlighted by 250/Min Laminating Speed and 35 min preheating time. The machine laminates up to 50 A4 sheets per hour and is compatible with 2x80-125 emic pouches. Turn off the laminator. Push the ABS lever until stuck pouch is released. Recommendation number 4. Fellows 5,736,606 Laminator Sanitary 125. Rapid 1-minute warm-up with Insta-Heat technology. 12:1/2 entry with accommodates multiple document sizes. On lamination for 3 mil or 5 mil and cold setting for self-adhesive pouches. Green light and audible beep indicate when machine is ready to laminate. Release lever disengages pouch for recentering or removal. Auto shut-off save energy and prevents overheating. Includes laminating starter kit. Recommendation number 5. 3M Laminator Kit with every size laminating pouch. Professional quality laminating machine for home or office use. Laminates items up to 9 in wide and pouches up to 5 mil thick. All varieties of laminating pouches. For use with Scotch Thermal Laminator or any standard thermal pouch laminator. Photo safe. Kit includes every size laminating pouch, 9/11/20 each asterisk, 21/4x30/3/420 each asterisk, 3x410 each asterisk, 41/2x620 each asterisk, 330/4x51/420 each asterisk.